Hi, happy smiley people. Welcome to Tim and Food. I'm Tim. Today I bring you banana bread. I found this recipe on TikTok from user at RueBerry2. I'll be sure to link their profile in the description. But I'll tell you that this banana bread recipe stuck out to me because it seemed very simple to prepare. The recipe ingredients, the ratios were incredibly easy to remember. And the method was a little bit different than I'm used to when preparing banana bread. I'm used to spending a lot of time with melted butter and sugar and eggs to start the recipe. This one, as you'll see, actually begins with the bananas and then starts with a wet mixture into which you add all of your dry ingredients, including your sugars, and it uses powdered sugar, which was a first for me in and of itself. This recipe was hugely successful, very easy to make, and I really hope that you'll stick around. Take a look.
All right, here are the ingredients. We'll start with bananas. Yep, those could be more ripe. Milk and vegetable oil. I put them in the same measuring cup just to save on dirty dishes and some time. 2 eggs, powdered sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, flour, and baking powder. I'm going to mash up the bananas until they make a paste. Add your milk and oil until you get a slurry. I like to get every drop out of my measuring vessels. We're paying for that stuff. Masterful egg beating and right into the bowl. Make sure that everything gets combined well, scraping the sides of your bowl. Add in the sugars. Now be sure to take your time on this step so that the sugars are completely incorporated. The next ingredient may surprise you. Imitation vanilla. I love America's Test Kitchen. And based upon their tests, imitation vanilla had the best reviews in baked dishes, while real vanilla works best in uncooked or cold dishes. The good news? This is incredibly affordable. I've linked their video in the description. Also, I never actually measure vanilla extract. Now add your flour, sifted. I saw this technique on a TikTok a while back, and I think it's great. Just set the fine mesh strainer on top of your bowl and then turn the whole thing over. Shimmy the bowl around and sift the flour. All right, parchment paper. I feel as though I fought with this for way too long and then settled on this. In the end, I should have made the cuts in each corner deeper to accommodate the deep corners of the pan, but c'est la vie. Pour in the batter and into the oven at 325 degrees for roughly 1 hour. And poof, banana bread. Then slice and serve. Don't forget to cut the heel off just for you. You want to make sure it's not poisoned. This bread was deliciously moist with a nice crust. The order of the ingredients was different from what I'm used to with banana bread, but it seemed to work out just fine. Thank you so much for stopping by to cook with me. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when I post my next video. See you real soon.